This is some bullshit, Stephen. This can feed a whole family. And you're gonna eat this bumper clad thing. With 3 pussy clad thing there. That is some fuck with Stephen. We can't support you no more. No. Get the fuck out of the house. Look on the bumper clad plate of egg. How much egg you fry?
6.
6 bumper ass clad pussy bumper blood clad egg. 6 blood clad egg dog. You ever work in a day in a bumper clad life? You name 6 egg. You know what we can feed by 6 egg? Huh? We can make a dinner for people. A big dinner for like a whole family. 6 egg. And how much bumper clad bacon? That come like 100 piece of pussy clad bacon. And you top it off with 3 bumper clad egg. And you call that breakfast? No. No, this is it. Me not do this no more. No, Stephen, me can't do this no more. When you done yam the fucking breakfast, move out. Me can't support you no more, Stephen. It not work. What's this greedy fucker now? What?